Hi, it's Ike from Groovy Entertainment. Today we got another book to read for you. Today, book of The Little Engine That Could, ABC Time from 2001. So let's get started. I'm the little blue engine, singing the ABC. Will you take an alphabet train trip with me? Just follow my train tracks and guess what you see. All the alphabet letters from A right through Z. Let's start in the middle where boys and girls play. Can you find a fruit that begins with an A? For B, look and find a most beautiful thing. It flies past the flowers on colorful wings. Over the hill we go. Come follow me at the circus. Find someone whose names start with C. For D, find a little pet fetching a stick. Will he get a treat for his clever tricks? Under the big top are the next letters we seek. As we roll by, let's all take a peek. E is a big animal with long gray snout. F is for a kind of banner waving about. On the farm, the letter G and H will appear. Find the animal that made the footprints here. Then look for a creature that's gentle and strong, with a pretty brown man and a tall way and a tail so long. Follow me to the park and find I, J, and K. Now, what fun to eat on a hot summer day. Can you see a jumping game that kids like to play, and a toy with a tail that flies up and away? Next on our trip, we stop at the zoo. For for L, there's a cat that much bigger than you. M is an animal swinging up high. Can you find them both as we go chugging by? For N and O, come to the schoolyard with me. What do the children see inside the tree? High in the branches, there's an animal too. It stays up all night and say, hoo hoo hoo. At the country fair, there are good things to eat, like a nice dessert treat that starts with a P. There are pony rides, balloons, and crafts for sale too. Do you see a blanket that starts with a Q? Here at the picnics are the best. Here are the picnics are the letter R and S. Now let's see if you will pass this little test. Find a long-eared critter that likes carrots to munch, and a food that the children will have for their lunch. Follow me to the beach, and we'll find T and U. For T, I see fun things to play with. Do you? For you, look around for a nice shady spot. Kids can sit beneath it when the sun is too hot. Now we hear, no, now we head to the post office. That's what we do. There we will find V and W too. Do you do you see a sweet card from somebody friend and something to carry a big package in? Come along to the toy store to find the last three, the end of the alphabet, X, Y, and Z. There, the musical instruments in a toy on the string in a black and white ammo is the very last thing. You have found every letter. I'm so proud of you. But before I go, here is what we should do. Let's make a long alphabet train out of me. I'll pull all the letters and sing ABC. A is for apple, B is for butterfly, C is for clown, D is for dog, E is for elephant, F is for flag, G is for goat, H is for horse, I is for ice cream, J is for jump rope, K is for kite, L is for lion, M is for monkey, N is for nest, O is for owl, P is for pie, Q is for quilt, R is for rabbit, S is for sandwich, T is for toy, U is for umbrella, V is for Valentine, W is for wagon, X is for xylophone, Y is for yo-yo, Z is for zebra. Our train trip is over. I'm glad as can be that you came with me from A to Z. So that was The Little Engine That Could, ABC time from 2001. So if you like, subscribe, share, and comment, have a groovy day with another video coming out real soon.